December the 11th, 2025. Customers from Zhejiang visit Hengde ceramsite lightweight block production line. The client, previously engaged in autoclaved aerated concrete block production, plans to switch to ceramsite lightweight block manufacturing amid a declining market for the former product. The client's sole key concern about the transition is whether the production process is stable and the solution is fully implementable. To address this core issue, the client paid a special visit to Hengde for an on-site inspection. In the meeting room, the Hengde team analyzed the original solution, then revised and clarified the raw material ratio, lightweight aggregate proportion control, and overall production line configuration concept based on the client's on-site requirements. Next, via video link, the client viewed Hengde's ongoing operational project sites in real time with frontline engineers, explaining actual production conditions. During the factory tour, the client focused on the cutting system, personally examined the finished blocks, and affirmed the cutting precision, molding quality, and equipment stability. For solution validation, on-site verification, and equipment inspection, the client formed a clear judgment on the feasibility of the ceramsite lightweight block project. This visit also provided a clear direction for the client's transition from autoclaved aerated concrete blocks to ceramsite lightweight blocks.